Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove caption from a table in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and this is a table and this table has a caption. I'll remove this caption or disable. Click on this table and select this table format option or click this table option and here you will find this caption option. If you uncheck and caption will be disabled and check this caption. Now double click on this caption and you can totally remove this caption text and remove the things and now select this uncheck and say this there is no caption and caption totally remove. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.